Alright, so today we're doing a little bit of work on one of these. I think it's a 19 or so Ranger 900. I don't know what the motor size is, but it's a big one anyway. I don't know. But I'm going to do the front gear case and the rear transmission. And this is, I believe, similar to my little one, where you got the fill plug here, the drain plug up underneath about there, and you'd basically pull the drain it, put the drain plug back in, and fill it until it's at the level of the bottom of that hole. Nice and simple. In the front, let's go see what we got. Okay, now this one here, since it's, I think it's lifted. I don't know. If it isn't, it's tall. But looks like we'll be able to reach that. That's your fill plug right there. And then the drain plug is up underneath right there. Very similar, if not identical, to my little one. So, and you put the drain plug back in, and fill it to the bottom of the other one. So that's about what we're going to start. Now, first thing we're going to do is try to break loose that thing, because if you can't get your fill holes opened up, you really shouldn't pull the drains. Very good. Have drain pan will travel. Huh. This came out a hell of a lot easier than mine. That's nice. Ew. Oof. Yeah, it's pretty black. It's time for a change. Yuck. That's supposed to be pretty purple, and that is black, 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 black. Nasty, nasty. So we can let that finish draining. I'm gonna go get a paper towel. Alright, so this is the drain plug. Got a fair bit of schmoo on it, but that's not too bad, I don't think. Nothing, no big chunks, just some little bit of fuzzy stuff. So she should be pretty good. This job probably should get a new O-ring, but I wasn't provided any, so looks pretty clean. So we're going to go back in with it. Click. All right. Now it's time to put the new fluid in. All right, got 2 quarts of the AGL gear case lubricant, full synthetic, and a pump. Never had to assemble one of these before, but okay. entertainment, I guess. Shouldn't need that. It's almost 1 quart.
What?
I'm recording. That's my wife sitting by the fire. Alright, now let's finish this up for the back. Okay, I'd say that's about it. Yep. Click. And that's the rear gear case done. Alright, back in the front, we have loosened the fill. We have loosened the drain. And pop this off, see what kind of a mess I can make. Oh, that stuff's pretty clean. Compared to what comes out of mine, that's pretty nice. This one's in real nice shape. I think he may have bought it new. If not, it was very lightly used, so that's good. We'll let that continue to drain. Only a bare little bit of schmoo on this plug. O-ring looks decent. Not bad. So, then I pull the upper plug out. Which is the same as the lower plug, just doesn't have a magnet. And once that drains, we're gonna refill it. Alright, let's wipe that baby down. Click. Alright, now we're going to fill this one up until it gets to the fill point. See if we can even get this to where we can see. There it is. Alright. And this is different stuff. This is the demand drive fluid for Hilliard clutches, which is what I believe this front diff is in these things, a Hilliard clutch. That's how, even if it's in four-wheel drive, it's not using the front end unless, goody, unless the rear end is overrunning it from a speed perspective. This doesn't take much. 9 or 10 ounces, I think. Okay, Now we're pumping it out. All right. Set that over there. I don't know if that looks full to me. Oh yeah, that's full. Okay. It's full. And this is just a 7mm Allen key. Click. And that's it. So, we should be in good shape. But it was worth doing it. They needed it a little bit. They were not terribly clean, but I don't think any damage has been done. She's in good shape. It should be a good ripper for hunting season. Hopefully we can use her to pull a lot of venison out of the woods. Anyway, hope you're all having a good day. I'm probably going to be a little late when I post this, but happy Father's Day to everyone to whom that matters out there. And get ready for a bit of an announcement coming up on the channel in the next week or two. I got an idea, and we're going to see what I can do with it. Should be entertaining. Hope you all having a good day. Talk to you all later. Take care.